Hello, welcome back. I'm so excited to share this easy and elegant claw clip hairstyle with you. It's perfect for any occasion. Now, I have to share how I've been prepping my hair lately. I'm all about my rope curls, heatless curls right now. You just pop them in the night before and you wake up with beautiful, long-lasting curls without the damage. And for this style, I really brush through them for a natural curl. So I'll link my full tutorial in the description for you. Now, for this hairstyle, start by tightly gathering all of your hair at the nape of your neck and hold it in your left hand. Then grab your claw clip with your right hand, open it nice and wide, and place it over your ponytail. Next, bring your ponytail upwards, guiding it between the teeth on the clip, using your right hand to anchor it at the top. Then bring your ponytail down the left side and back up between the teeth again, tucking the ends behind it. Finally, flip your clip to the left to capture all of your hair and secure it in place, and try your best to center it. And you have yourself a beautiful and simple claw clip hairstyle. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and thank you for watching.